Hey, it's Mike Frenchy from Bobcat of Buffalo again. Today, I'm really excited to show you guys, I'm opening up the Bobcat Max Control Remote system. Now, that sounds really complicated. The point is I've been waiting for this since I was a little kid. This is operating your skid steer or track loader in the palm of your hands with an iPhone or your Android phone or your tablet. The Android and tablet version is not available yet, but I tell you what, I am excited to open this box, put it on a machine, and see what it can do. But first, let's do the unboxing. Looks like it comes in a cardboard box with a Bobcat logo on it. We'll go ahead and cut that open using my handy dandy carpenter knife, and let's see what you get when you open the box. Oh, let's see here. What do we got? Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. Looks like you're going to be met with some installation instructions. It's got some various tools. It's got the antennas in it. Looks like it's got some zip ties. So it looks like we're going to be able to do this ourselves. Pretty straightforward and simple. Wow, there's really not that much in here. It looks like we got a main harness that no doubt will plug in to one side of the main harness on one side and kind of act as a jumper in between. This is the plate that goes on the top of the actual machine itself. There's a little antenna that'll go on top of here, and that light will tell you whether it's powered on or off. This button here is so you can sync it up, and just before you start remote operation, you push that. This is actually where you'll plug between the two harnesses. You'll unplug the main harness at one point, you'll plug this into one side and this into the other. Works just like a remote start for like a F-150 or something if you bought a jumper. And that's really all there is to it. Other than that, you have, I'll show you here, you're going to have a blue operation light. As you can see, this operation light is magnetic. You put it right on the top of the cab, and while the machine is ready to remote operate, that'll blink blue so everybody knows that it's an autonomous machine around you. And then this here is just your kill switch. You mount this right on the back of the cab door or the engine door, or whichever works for you, and that way you can run up and slap it if you had to in an emergency situation to shut the machine off. And then it looks like these here, what are these here? These are probably your magnets. Yep, these are your elevator magnets right here. Let me take one out of there and show you that. Wow, those are big magnets. I'm gonna go ahead and reach in. Look at that. So it looks like that's pretty much it. It looks like once you plug this in, this goes to your kill switch right here, and this line goes to your light. You got a nice coil so you can wrap it. So one thing I want to point out is I just was looking through the instructions here, and before we get outside and we put this on a machine, I thought this diagram and illustration was really well done. It shows you all the different components of the machine. Those magnets we looked at, those are to hold these different cable pieces in place on the back of the cab. The instructions are very well written. Just kind of briefly show you, it's literally step by step. It shows you exactly what you need to do, how you need to do it. It's very straightforward. It says estimated installation time is 1 hour. If you're anything like me and you're not very good with installation of anything, then you'll probably take a little bit longer, but none of it's complicated. I actually feel pretty confident I could do this in about an hour and a half, taking my time and making sure it's set up right for my machine. Another thing I want to point out is actually if you look at this picture here, there's a tag, this yellow tag, that's the autonomous operation tag. You do want to make sure that you hang that off the front of your machine so that everybody knows you're controlling it by remote from somewhere. Well, that about does it for the unboxing, guys. You got all the different parts here. Let's get outside and see what you can do. Okay, so now as you're getting power in there, that light starts flashing up there.
Wait for the home screen to come right here.
You got to hold it while you're doing that, Bryce?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we're going to come back to the screen.
Oh, yeah, we're in business, boys.
Now we can close this.
This is so sick. We've been talking about this since I was a kid, man.
Go to connected, you see that? Operate. Wait too long.
Oh, this is so cool.
That is start. So see on here, RPMs. Turtles or two-speed. So turtle and rabbit, and emergency stop right here. Emergency stop right there. Alright. Yeah, we'll shut the machine completely up. Okay, I'll do it when we end. Yeah. Okay.
Awesome.
Press operate. Boom. So you gotta do that time.
Yep.
Alright.
Okay.
Can you, so there's a settings part
Isn't
where
this your sensitivity right down here? What is that?
That is your
Aux?
That's your, so you gotta turn on your hydraulics.
That's that button, yeah.
Line is that, and you have lock down.
What's this? Is this sensitivity? Or is that your that's your attachment, your 7 pins? Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna be where all your settings is and stuff.
Flow.
Gosh, this is so freaking cool.
Yep, flow.
You can download the app, right? You can download the app and you'll have this remote. You'll be able to go through it all and stuff.
It's pretty sweet. What's in the menu? Is that what brought up over here? Okay. The controller setting.
Parking brake, lights,
and then
bucket positioning. Operating hours, system crap. You could probably swipe left and right in there, right? Or maybe not. That's for electrical attachments, right? That's so cool. The power in the palm of your hands.